Is your washing machine making loud grinding noises, refusing to spin properly, or struggling to complete the wash cycle? A worn or damaged transmission gear case could be affecting your washer's performance. Welcome to PartsMelange. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot the transmission gear case in your washing machine. The transmission gear case is located beneath the washer tub at the machine's base center, linked to the drive system. It transmits motor power to the agitator and spin basket. To reach it, turn off the power and water supply, then take off the washer cabinet and drive parts as necessary. The transmission gear case is essential for washer performance, transforming motor rotation into the necessary mechanical actions for washing and spinning. A failing gear case may cause strange noises, weak agitation, inadequate spin speed, or incomplete cycles. Common causes of transmission gear case problems include normal wear of internal gears, lubricant breakdown, moisture intrusion, excessive loads, repeated unbalanced loads, and years of continuous operation. These issues may result in grinding or knocking noises, oil leaks, poor agitation, slow or failed spinning, and reduced washing performance. Before beginning any inspection, unplug the washing machine and shut off the water supply. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended safety precautions before servicing the appliance. To troubleshoot the transmission gear case, you'll need a flashlight, work gloves, basic hand tools, and the appliance's service documentation. Start by inspecting underneath the washer for signs of gear oil leakage around the transmission. Listen for grinding, rumbling, or knocking noises during the wash and spin cycles. Check that the agitator moves smoothly and verify that the spin basket reaches full speed without hesitation or excessive vibration. Inspect the surrounding drive components for visible damage to help rule out other possible causes. If the transmission produces excessive noise, leaks oil, or fails to provide proper agitation or spinning after other drive components have been inspected, replacement may be necessary. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement part. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit PartsMelange.ca. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more troubleshooting guides, maintenance tips, and helpful appliance repair updates. Thanks for watching.